Hey guys, so today's my first video I've made on this account. This is my slime video account and I will be showing you how to make all types of slimes, and I hope you enjoy this channel. Please leave a like and subscribe. So I have been making slimes lately because I know it's going around. I'm a little bit late on the news, but this is my baby blue slime I have made, and it's just regular slime. I put a little tiny bit of shaving cream in it, but it doesn't really show. I also have a little bit of glitter in it. I just don't put too much because I hate it when it gets on my hands and then you can never get it off, even if you wash your hands forever. But I made a green slime just now and I forgot to film. So this is it. This is super jiggly slime. Like very jiggly. It's very bouncy. If you roll it in a ball, if you bounce it, it's like it like just plops. And so this is not stretchy though. Oh, it exploded. This is not stretchy though. So every time I try to stretch it, it breaks. But yeah, I just love the sound of this. That ticking in the background, that's my clock. Sorry, it's really loud. But this is my green jiggly slime, and I will be teaching you guys how to make this in my next video. And so I hope you like this video. Just here to introduce myself. Thank you. If you liked the video, leave a like and subscribe, please. Thanks. Bye.